Hey guys, today we talk about how can you select language on your Kahoot app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, just you go above your photo profile, click on it here. So when you click on it here, it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here. So then you come to next here, then all you have to do, just click here on profile settings. Then you come to next step, you just return to open video here. So when it's going to open video like this, you go down here, we come here to language, click here in this sign. So when you click on it, in here, just select your language here. So when you select it, you just go above save, click on it here, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.